Want to protect your hearing as you get older? Here are 5 simple habits that can help. Number 1, keep your headphone volume at a safe level. Number 2, take regular breaks from loud sounds. Number 3, wear hearing protection in very noisy places. Number 4, never put cotton swabs deep inside your ears. And number 5, if you notice hearing loss, ringing, or sudden changes in your hearing, talk to a healthcare professional. Your ears deserve protection. Start today.
As a solid platform. 3. The leg drive. Maximum leg drive activation. Energy transfer from feet to bench. Push the floor, not just the bar. 4. Perfect form. Perfect technical execution. Full body tension and control. Ideal bench. P. Have you been stuck at the exact same bench press? Starts from the ground. 2. The arch. Solid and stable arch. Maintained core tight and glutes engaged. Body act. The foundation 1. Feet firmly planted on the floor. 2. Heels driving backwards for tension. 3. Power